Hi everyone, this is Khushbu and this channel is going to be all about my experiences as a first time mom. So first thing first, I have a 4-month-old kid. His name is Agastya and you guys are gonna see him, actually a lot of him on this channel. Like his milestones, his daily activities, things he likes, things he don't like and everything in between basically. So the idea of this YouTube channel came when I recently did an AMA on Instagram. I got so many queries to breastfeed of the things I use and different things. So I thought, why not to answer them? That is a mystery, guys. So yeah, I thought why not to make videos? I need to go. I'll make videos later. Bye. So hi, we have Agastya with us. Agus, say hi. That was that. Yeah. So I'll say, why not to make videos and be more connected with you guys and share my experiences in longer format of videos. So I thought of starting a YouTube channel. So here I am. And yeah, first video should be about answering those MAs because from there only I got this idea. So start! Alright, so let's start with the first question. It's from Divya Maheshwari. She's asking, hey, what supplements are you taking? Doctor has suggested iron and calcium for whole lactation period. So yeah, Divya, I'm also continuing my calcium, which is CCM and folic acid, and yeah, vitamin D as well. So one should not stop taking these vitamins because इससे पूरा hormonal imbalance हो जाता है, hair fall ज़्यादा होने लगता है. Yeah. So Agastya is also saying don't stop. So the next question is from Kriti. Please suggest some ways to increase breast milk supply. Be hydrated, बहुत सारा पानी पियो, eat papaya, दलिया, अजवाइन जीरा वाटर और अजवाइन गुड़ और घी इन तीनों को मिला के 2 or 3 tablespoons in the morning. First thing in the morning I used to take. So this also helps. Yeah. Next one is from Nisha Kapoor. Which nipple cream do you use? I used to use Nipcare. I'll link it here. Okay. So next question is from T. Shalini. Breast milk enhancer like tablets. Have you taken? No, I didn't. I don't know how efficient they are. Can't comment because I didn't try. So yeah, let's move to next one. Pratibha Sharma. Hey, can you share your postpartum hair fall journey and what are you doing to control it? इतना ज़्यादा hair fall हो रहा है ना, and the only thing which one can do is to take their prenatal vitamins, get a good haircut, and this will pass. मतलब that's what I have heard कि ये hormonal imbalance की वजह से होता है and after some time it will be gone. So yeah, continue to take your prenatal vitamins and yeah. See, Agu is also saying, Papa say don't stop. Next question. I'm Kalpana. What moisturizer for face you use for your baby? So I'm using from Aveeno. Both are from Aveeno. Face moisturizer also and the body cream also. That's what Agastya's doctor has suggested. Quite happy with it. So yeah, I'll link it here. Next one is from Bhandari Abha. When did you start using water to feed expressed milk to baby? So I started it after 40 days duration because introducing it early can cause nipple confusion, and one can use katori chammach. I don't use it often, only when I'm not with baby, and that happens rarely. So yeah, I hope you got your answer. So from Bhandari Abha only, I have another question. Ooh. How to maintain a good sleep schedule at night for baby? It was not like that during initial few weeks, I would say, but I understood the trick. So the trick is 2 hours before sleep, keep them active. You You can give a nice massage to them, give them a diaper-free time, play with them, और पूरा feed उन्हें दो, and yeah, धीरे धीरे I guess every mom gets the hack of it. So yeah. Inku_YUH, she's asking, when did your baby started to turn head to your voice? I guess 2.5 months. I guess so. Yeah. That is quite a feeling, I know. Pooja Rajani Gunani is asking what to do if baby is putting his hands again and again in mouth. Not every time it can be hunger. No. Yes, you got it right. But you can't do much about it. Give them a toy to play or a teether because उन्हें itching हो रही होती है in their gums. So that's what you can do. Nothing else. This is also a phase. Will pass. So Daman Sehgal is asking what's EBF. So it's exclusively breastfeeding. Next one is from Nikita Slakia. From where did you buy baby crib? So I got mine from me and moms. Yeah, it's same I guess. So yeah, it's nice, it's functional, and it's not that highly priced. And it comes with a cradle also, which is really helpful. मतलब crib में उससे इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ जितना मैं cradle को use करती हूँ. It is really helpful in those initial weeks when you want baby to sleep, and you can just put them. Abhi Agu is there only. He's enjoying his time there. Okay, so the next one is from Silash Rodriguez. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, so she's asking, experiencing cluster feeding right now, baby 6 weeks. Oh my god, so that was the toughest part, I would say, in this whole motherhood process. When during initial weeks, baby cluster feed, you have stitches wala pain if you had C-section, or yeah. So just stay strong, and it will pass before you know. Dr. Neha Kejriwal is asking, my baby is completely on formula. Any tips for breast milk? I just answered this. I guess I should switch on some lights. Yeah. So Madisha06 is asking, please suggest from where you buy jablas in summertime for your son. So I got some from Mom's Home, and they are really nice. Yashi Agrawal is asking, my baby is also 4 months. Are you going through sleep regression phase and less milk intake? Sleep regression, yes, and काफ़ी difficult है. I know. After like every 30-40 minutes he'll be awake and you don't get any time for yourself. I thought अभी इसको feed कराया है, अभी सोएगा, let's shoot a video, but जब तक मैंने थोड़ा सा मेकअप किया, उठ गया, एंड या अभी मैं उसे धीरे धीरे क्रैडल कर रही हूँ, एंड आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो. सो या आई नो इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट, एंड आई हैव हर्ड 4-5 मंथ वाला फेज इज़ थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट. सो या आई एम जस्ट स्टेइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. यू शुड ऑल्सो. BINEEG. She's asking, could you please share details on how to use cloth diaper? There's no science in it. You just have to make them wear, like, just have to tie it, pressing. So yeah, easy peasy. Ruchi Chablani 16 is asking, how do you give pumped milk in bottle or any other way? I used to give it to him with katori chammach initially, और 1-2 बार बॉटल से दिया, बट इतनी नीड नहीं होती है बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज विद हिम. सो या इट्स इजी पीजी. ही लाइक्स इट फ्रेश. ओके. Sukhmani Tanya is asking, with EBF, how do you manage to go to restaurant? Do you restrict any type of food? Face cash issues? So I do go to restaurant once in a while, and No, I'm not restricting myself to anything. Yes, like for the first 40 days, I didn't consume any lal mirch, or in my food there was only salt and black pepper. But after that, I started eating thoda thoda sab kuch, and now I'm having like my normal usual diet, which I used to take like before pregnancy or during pregnancy as well. Anika 9820, she's asking, did you exclusively breastfeed or combination feeding? So during initial weeks when milk supply was low, I was giving him formula as well, but after some time when it got established, so currently I am exclusively breastfeeding. Okay, so the next one is from Jati_Asher is asking, how did you deal with swelling of face, feet in the last month? Nothing much. थोड़ा massage कर लो, be active and hydrated, that's all you can do. So yeah, I hope you guys like this session, and I hope I'll be doing this more often in future. And अभी मुझे फिर से अगस्ती के पास जाना है. He needs me now for next video. Do let me know in comment section what do you guys want to see. Okay. Also, hopefully a travel vlog will be coming because Aggu's mama and dada is gonna go to Manali this weekend, and that's it for this video. I hope I did nice. Yeah, see you in next video. Bye. Just a second. Bye guys. You're such a good baby आज, है ना? पूरा वीडियो मम्मा को बनाने दिया अच्छे, अकेले प्ले कर रहा था. Do you guys know? He was playing on his own.